Hi guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. In today's video, I'm going to review this perfume from Muse Beauty and this one is called as Cocoa Vanilla Bourbon. So I've recently done a haul on musebeauty.in. They have recently launched their website and I've hauled around 5 to 6 perfumes from them. I've already shared my haul video with you guys, and as I said that I will be reviewing each and every perfume that they have, and probably in near future when I buy more perfumes from them, I'll probably do a consolidated list of like top 5 and gourmands and florals and all of that from Muse Beauty. So I hope that you enjoy this content. If you do, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this box which looks so cute and is aesthetically pleasing. It has these golden bows and hearts made all over it, and then this is like the gist of the perfume right here. So Vanilla Cocoa Bourbon, as they mentioned, this is a tropical white floral coconut and vanillic fragrance. They've given the details right here with some, this sticker that explains the perfume very well. This side of the box, this says be your own muse. That's quite a good message out here. Then there is a note from the founder which explains like what their perfumes are about. On this side, they have mentioned that, this perfume contains 25% of perfume oil concentration, which is quite a lot. And that's why, these perfumes perform really well. They're also vegan formula and paraben and phthalate free, plus no animal testing. And the best part, for which I am very happy and very happy to be supporting them, is because they are made in India. Jumping to the perfume bottle, this is how it looks like. It is a simple bottle, a rounded one, where you can see the juice right here. On this side, the same sticker as the outer packaging, golden cap and golden atomizer, and this one sprays really well. Like, the sprayer is just professional. Yeah, it sprays the perfume really well. It diffuses the perfume really well in the directions and just easy to apply that way. Now let's jump on to the scent profile. Now this one opens up with a citrusy note of bergamot, along with lots of coconut water. Coconut water is probably the star of this fragrance. Then it mixes up with some jasmine that brings it some lightness and brightness in this fragrance. And then there's this magic of vanilla bourbon mixing up with cashmere. Now, out of all of these notes that I'm mentioning, I find the coconut water, the vanilla, cashmere, and the jasmine being the star notes here. It's a beautiful tropical floral fragrance with hints of woodiness and sweetness in the base. Now, if this perfume was a person or maybe a situation, then this is how I would like to explain it. Just imagine that a woman has just plunged out of the water and the sand is just sticking to her skin and it's shining on her skin and it's like glittering on her skin. She's sun-drenched, she's sun-kissed, and she has this wet hair that she's waving like this in style. She's enjoying her vacation, beach time. She's in that tropical beach mode, collecting seashells, and she's just having the time of her life and she's enjoying those moments. This is that representation of that whole scenario. So I hope I can give that right mental picture to you what this fragrance is about. It's such a beautiful tropical fragrance. Obviously, you'll not go for vacation every time that you want to wear this fragrance, right? So let's talk about more generic ways of using this one. This is a perfect summer tropical fragrance in my opinion. Definitely you can wear it during daytime. It's like, I don't feel like wearing this to office because it just doesn't have that seriousness to it. But of course, you can wear it and you can enjoy it. I find this more better to be worn on a casual event, like if I'm going to meet my friends, if I'm going for a lunch or a brunch, even if I'm going for a date. During lunch, I would prefer something like this. This is a very non-serious, happy, free-minded kind of a fragrance out there, which you can enjoy every day. Now let's talk about the performance on this one. So this does have 25% of perfume oil concentration, so the performance is quite decent on this one. This gives me a longevity of around 5 to 6 hours with around 5 to 6 sprays, so you can consider like 1 spray 1 hour situation with this one. It has a moderate projection. It's not that it will project to several feet. Around 1 to 2 feet of projection is what it has. Plus, the good part is that this gives wisp throughout the day, like all the 6 hours that this one goes, you will get that wisp of this fragrance throughout the day. And that's exactly what I love about this fragrance. It's so refreshing and it is so relaxing at the same time. So I really love the way that the wisp comes throughout the day with this one. Coming to the sillage, it's quite moderate. It does not fill the entire room. It just leaves a good trail when you're passing by someone, or if you're talking to someone in close vicinity, or if someone is coming and hugging you, they'll definitely get the wisp of this perfume. The color perception on this one is definitely kind of like a cool blue. Just remember the ocean, the beach, and the sand and all of that combination. So the color perception gives me of that. I know that the color perception here mentioned is pink, but when you kind of apply it and when you feel how this fragrance is, it gives a color perception of blue. I think the temperature perception on this one is quite neutral, a little bit on the cooler side if I may say so, because this just is very refreshing and has that cooling effect. Let's talk about the pricing on this one. So this comes in 2 sizes, 30 ml and 50 ml. The 30 ml is priced for $9.99 and on discount you can get it for around $700, and the bigger bottle 50 ml comes for $1,499, which on discount you will probably get it around $1,000. The one that I have is a 30 ml. Now this one kind of gives me a reminder or like an inspired version of Alien Goddess, which is again a very tropical, vacation, beachy kind of a fragrance, and that one is for a whopping 10,000 rupees. So I think if you want to experience a similar DNA, you need to try this one. So overall rating on this particular one is 9 out of 10. I love the way that how this one kind of triggers a vacation memory, plus this fragrance kind of has that relaxation and that feel to it that it will keep you reminding of the good days or the good memories or the fun times that you have with your friends and family. Very less perfumes are capable of doing that. Like, when you are already upset and you are already tense and you're already like under the work pressure, these are the kind of fragrances that make a difference in the mood. So I think this is a good mood uplifter, and that's why my rating is coming close to 9 out of 10. Absolutely love this one, absolutely enjoy it. If you're looking for a good summer day wear, you're sorted with this one. So that completes my haul today. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.